Dorobo ya Tshwane vho khwathisedza mivhigo ine ya khou sumbedza uri Dr.Vho-Murunwa Makwarela vhuedzedzwa kha vhuimo ha Nedorobo. Mathomoni Dr.Vho-Makwarela vho laedza vhoramilayo uri vha itele khaedu tsheo ya uri a vho ngo lugela uvha kha vhuimo ha Nedorobo nga mulanguli wa masipala Vho-Jhan Mettler.Vho-Makwarela vho tholiwa sa Nedorobo wa Tshwane nga lavhuvhili la vhege yo fhelaho nga murahu ha ḓorola mushumo habe vha vhe Nedorobo uvha kha ḽihoro ḽa DA Vho-Randall Williams vhege tharu dzo fhelaho.
Mr. Vho-Jhan Mettler has received a notice of solvency rehabilitation from Councillor Dr.Vho-Murunwa Makwarela this morning and has subsequently informed the Gauteng Provincial Electoral Officer of the Independent Electoral Commission IEC to immediately withdraw the declaration of a vacancy for the Congress of the People (COPE) Proportional Representative Councillor. The IEC has confirmed receipt of a letter from the city manager for the withdrawal of the vacancy declaration and undertook to process it accordingly, as they are still within the 21-day time limit. Accordingly, all the benefits and perks accorded to Dr. Makwarela as the executive mayor of the city of Tshwane have forthwith been reinstated. On Tuesday, the 7th of March 2023, the city manager wrote to the Gauteng Provincial Electoral Officer informing him of a casual vacancy which had occurred at the city following the disqualification of the COPE PR councillor, Dr. Makwarela. The disqualification was in terms of Section 158, Subsection 1, Subsection C of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa 1996, also read with Section 47, Subsection 1, Subsection C of the Constitution. Furthermore, the disqualification was also in terms of Schedule 1, Section 19, Subsection C, Subsection D of the Municipal Structures Act